Hey everyone, it's Walker from Motorola, and today we're going to be getting hands-on with our Moto G56 5G. The Moto G56 5G. Durable with a super smooth 120Hz display, 50 megapixel camera, and a huge 5200 mAh battery. Inside the box, we get the phone itself, USB-C cable, SIM ejector, and the usual documentation. At first touch, the G56 feels sturdy and premium with a slim 8.4mm frame, IP68 and IP69 water resistance, and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. Despite packing a big battery, it's comfortable to hold at only 200 grams. The 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display supports a silky 120Hz refresh rate. A super bright display makes it a perfect choice for outdoor use. Under the hood, you get the MediaTek Dimensity 7060 chip with up to 8GB of RAM, keeping things running smooth, whether you're gaming or multitasking. The G56's 50 megapixel Sony Lithium sensor delivers sharp details and great for low light performance with quad pixel technology. While the 8 megapixel ultra wide is solid for landscapes, selfies are handled by a 32 megapixel front facing sensor. With a massive 5200 mAh battery, the Moto G56 easily lasts over a day and recharges quickly. You get a near stock Android 15 experience with added features such as Moto gestures like Chop Chop for flashlight, NFC, and stereo Dolby Atmos speakers. The Moto G56 combines rugged design, a smooth display, and great battery life for just under £200. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and leave us a comment to let us know what you think about the G56.
Hello, Moto.